So dairies 3. Today is car decoration. For car. It looks red. It looks orange. I found this seat cover, black seat cover, and it has all of them for the front and the back. And then I found a steering wheel to get these discount and look around and see if they had what I needed for my car so we came to the car. They had it. And I came, they do have it, and I want to get it now because I feel like when I do come for it, they're not going to have it, like I said. So this is the red seat cover, right? This is the red steering wheel, you know? Now see the car inside is all black. That's why I'm trying to get red stuff because everything inside that car is black. That's why I'm trying to get stuff that's red. Red steering wheel. Then got red car seat, red thing on the front. Who decided to make these? I want to get this because I like this. And the front has them. So the front, we're going to be sitting in the front anyways. So I think I might get this. But this looks really cute. And what I wanted to do anyway is just get like a little box. Like one of these. And put a whole bunch of snacks, water bottles, energy drinks, energy snacks and stuff in here. So now my man likes to work out and stuff. So protein bar stuff. I'm going to put it in here. I'm going to be broke. Ow! This one looks so cute. This one's like red. I feel like this one's probably better. And I just washed the covers inside the car keys. I don't like this one. I mean, but what's up, girlies? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Trini. For those who don't know me, hi, my name is Trini. I'm 18 and content creator. For those who don't know me, hi, girlies. And today I'm with a little special guest, my man.
I'm Anthony.
And as you can see, well, you guys haven't seen the video yet, but I probably posted the car video vlog stuff. As you can see, we're in our car. But now we got a little bit of decorations for the car, so we're gonna decorate the car a little bit, and we're gonna bring you guys with us. But first, we're gonna show you everything we got for the car right now, and then when we get more stuff for the car, we're gonna record that issue. But let's show you what we got right now. First thing we got is we got these steering wheels thing. I got this at any discount. This is go to the front too. But we're gonna put the steering wheels on. We're gonna put the seat covers on first, and then we're gonna put the steering wheel. And yeah. Look at that. Ooh, that looks nice. Yeah, provide. I got these little cute mats. Put the seats on everything. They look really nice. But now we're gonna try to put the steering wheel on. And I heard a lot of people say it's hard, so we're gonna see. close my hoodie.
For obvious reasons.
So it's like okay, so it's like 5 of these. So I have to. Okay, y'all, it is nighttime. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm gonna show y'all what we got. I just found out it had a feature to it. I'm gonna wear that. I thought it just did one color, but it actually changes color, y'all. But look at that. But back in the car, we just went to go get some gas because we need to get some gas. But now I don't know if you guys can really see me. I don't know if you can really see it, but I'm trying to put this the other LED light on the other side. The little red lights. Start getting up them headlights. Now we put it in the back.
Like on the, around the door.
And then when we get the elevator lights, we're gonna put them under there. So these are going on the door. And the other ones we get.
I'm not gonna lie, that shit cut my guts.
Thought I just seen the fire back there for a second. Oh, it's the pomegranate juice. You got the seeds a couple days ago. Now he got the goddamn juice. You like this shit?
The Pomeranian juice.
This is something lines up every something. I think actually LED lights, and we're gonna put them in a car for y'all. I'm gonna just make this a part 1 because Vlogmas is literally tomorrow, and I gotta start doing Vlogmas videos for y'all, installing some LED lights in our car. So I'll be right back with y'all. You just give me a second. Just. Okay, y'all, we in the car now. We about to leave. That's the passenger side. No, that's the driver's side, and that's the passenger side. Look at that. This is a wrap for November Diaries episode.
This is a wrap for, this is the beginning and the end for our...
This is a wrap for November Diaries episode 3. As you guys know, tomorrow is December, and I see the snow already fucking came. What they say, it's